Welcome to the world of jackfruit, a tropical treasure that's not only delicious but packed with a wealth of health benefits. This versatile fruit, native to South India, is the largest fruit that grows on a tree. And it's making waves in the culinary world for its unique flavor and texture. But did you know that jackfruit is also a powerhouse of nutrients? It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to a host of health benefits, including boosting the immune system, promoting heart health, supporting healthy digestion, improving skin and eye health, aiding in blood sugar control, and even offering potential anti-cancer properties. But that's not all. Jackfruit is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From BBQ jackfruit sandwiches and jackfruit tacos to jackfruit smoothies and desserts, the possibilities are endless. And don't forget about the seeds. They can be boiled or roasted and eaten as a snack. When buying jackfruit, remember to choose based on whether you want a ripe or unripe fruit. And look for a strong, sweet smell for ripe jackfruit. It can be stored at room temperature if whole, or in the refrigerator if cut. And a pro tip, oil your knife and hands before cutting into it to deal with the sticky latex sac. So why not give jackfruit a try? It's a delicious, nutritious,